Okay, today we're gonna unbox Shun Mandoline. Okay, it's rather large box, as you can see. Sorry, it's pretty heavy. Comes with a cover like this. So let's see what's inside. It's beautifully packed. I gotta tell you this. Okay, the first box, I think it's gonna be, yep, set of blades. It's very nicely packed. And there is a manual that comes in a box. Okay, let's see. Okay, I hope you can see the mandolin packed beautifully. It's heavy. It has to be secured. Okay, so I think it's, okay, let's see, here we go. It comes, here you go. I have to tell you, it is heavy. Okay, I have to tell you, it is heavy. My concern is, I haven't tried it yet, but my concern is that it says China right here. So I thought that it was made in Japan. Apparently I was wrong. In my next video I'm gonna show you how it works. Here you go.